Tobago's revamped branding, Tobago Beyond Ordinary, was officially launched in the German market at the world's largest tourism trade show, ITB Berlin. The tagline, unspoilt, untouched, undiscovered, was well received by the Europeans. So much so that the island's presence, along with its rebranding launch and networking, have already shown success.
When we did the formal launch 2 days ago, those persons who were there did in fact indicate that they were happy that we were reconnecting again with our market in Germany, and in fact they indicated that they were quite willing to give us the necessary exposure. As a matter of fact, yesterday 4 new tour operators came on board, large operators, and they decided that they will market Tobago.
Tobago's contingent was led by the Chief Secretary Kelvin Charles. This ensured that negotiations and deals were finalized without delay. Marketing representative for Tobago, Angelica Wegner, is optimistic that the renewed branding and marketing strategy will attract more German visitors to the island.
That people are really embracing the actual fact that there is such a beautiful island, untouched island like Tobago. You see, with the current trend among the consumers here in the markets, people are looking for experiences, for untouched islands. We had several wholesalers that will now feature Tobago for the first time because they were so impressed by our appearance here now.
Germany is Tobago's second largest tourist market after the United Kingdom. The positive outcomes from Tobago's presence at this year's ITB in Germany will allow for easier access to its neighboring Scandinavian countries.
Tobago remains one of the go-to places for the Germans. Additionally, we are looking at that connection from Scandinavia. As a matter of fact, a number of Scandinavians take that Condor flight and come to Tobago, and other reconnections across Europe. And so we are very excited that we are once again speaking and connecting and communicating with our German tour operators.
Representatives from the Tobago Tourism Agency Limited were also a part of the team at ITB Berlin. The team interacted with tour operators and several tourism and travel agents from March 4th to March 10th. It's expected that the work done at ITB Berlin will have more European tourists coming to enjoy the island's culture and unique experiences. I'm Omodara Mills for Let's Talk Tobago.